Hello, thank you for having watched previous videos about Google Forms. And now we are going to learn how to use Google Forms and just add collaborators to share data. Like a collaborator is someone else who can view what respondents are filling in, and maybe they can manipulate the data like you can do, you the owner of the form share. Now we are going to use the very same short quiz form that we have used while learning how to use Google Forms to create quizzes. We are going now to use it to see how you can add a collaborator. You see here we have share. When you click share icon, you have share short quiz, add people, groups, and calendar events. Here we have editor, anyone on the internet with the link can edit. We actually need to disable this and make it restricted. Instead, we need to add specific individuals who can edit the link. Now let's choose this email. You see it's automatically selected as responder. And now here we need to make it an editor. In a professional context, you actually need to send this one a message. You need to notify them with an email. Let's say, Gilbert, how all is well with you? Kindly receive the discussed form. Best. That's it. Then you still have options to cancel this if you think it was an error, but you can also send if you think it's all right. And this is not a mistake for us, then you are going to send, and the person will be able to view answers or responses from responders. Now we need to go to the email of someone whom we sent it to and ask them to see whether the person is able to view the content. Now we have the email, the other email open via which we sent the Google form. And now you can see learning spot. We open the email. We have form shared with you, short quiz. Now, when you scroll down, you will see open. We click open. You see a new tab is opened, and we can now access the form. You see questions. You can type, you can change the question. You can change its form of response to a paragraph maybe. You can access the responses. You see the insights. You can see everything similarly to what a person who created the form can see. You see, you can also change settings. You can disable or enable anything from the settings, similar to what the person who created the form can see. So now, let's see how to unpublish. No. Before that, we can see how okay, we can go on with unpublishing the form. You see, when you click accepting, you click published, you will see accepting responses. And this is enabled. When you want to stop people from seeing, being able to send responses, then we click this to enable it, like you see, not accepting responses. Responders will see this message. This is an edited message. There is a default message that people can see, but you can still edit and have a different message. Then click save. Without saving, people will still be able to send responses, which is something you're trying to stop. So it means any change you make, you need to save. So let's now go to customize the theme. Now, customizing a theme is all about changing like the header, font size, font styles, for the header, for the questions, for text, whatever, like everything that you can intend to change in terms of font sizes, font size, font type is done through customize theme. You can also change the background to a different color or something else, whatever. Any change that would intend to do is done via customize a theme. So this is it for today, and I thank everyone for your time to learn from this YouTube channel. You can still like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't yet, so that you stay updated. And